Modern plant breeding is founded on Darwin's theory of natural selection and Mendel's theory of inheritance, combined with research about germ cells and genotype and phenotype relationships.
Plants can be adapted to specific environmental conditions for a higher production rate, such as making a plant less dependent on water or more resistant to low or high temperatures.
Here at BYU, Dr. Stevens is working with a native Utah flower called penstemon. The flower is drought resistant and is popular for gardens because it is easy to maintain. Some of the plants are too tall for a garden and have small flowers such as this red barbatus, and some have larger blooms and are shorter such as this white compactus. These have been crossed to make this flower a much more suitable plant for a garden. One of Dr. Stevens' research assistants, Jed Groh, crosses these plants and will show us how it is done.
Okay, so today we're going to show you how we cross-pollinate plants. So plants have both a male part and a female part. Most flowers do. One is the stigma, the other is the anther. So if you'll see here, those are the anthers sticking out. Okay, so what you do first is you take the anthers and you pluck them off. And we put them in a little pill capsule for safe storage where it's dry. After a while of shaking up and they dry out, we collect the pollen. Now you take the pollen grains and you come over to your plant. Before it's opened up so that no pollen has been released yet, you grab the petals and the anthers and slowly remove. And you're left with the female part, or the stigma. So this is the stigma. As you can see, it's straight because it's not quite yet ready to receive pollen. This one down here is curved because it's ready to receive pollen. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to test on this one. So what we do is we take our pollen that's been drying in this pill capsule, and through a fairly easy process, we take the stigma and we rub it around inside. As you can see, it's collected the pollen off the pollen tube, and now this plant has been pollinated. After a while, if you want to bring the camera over here, if it doesn't accept the seed, it'll be small and dry, like this. If it does accept the seed, it will swell up nice and big like this. And if it does accept the seed, after a while, you plant this and you'll get a new flower, which is a cross between the two ones. For example, this is a cross between both a red and a light purple flower.